Welcome to Onsite. So today we'll be seeing how you can add your labors and labor contractor to your projects. So first of all, we will go to the Onsite application. So this is the project dashboard you are seeing. The home page. We'll go into one of the project. Teapot Mansion is the currently running project I have. Inside the project, I will go to the attendance section to add my labors and labor contractor. So here you get two options. One is site staff, one is of labor contractor. So all the laborers who are working under you will come in the site staff section. So let me add one of my laborers. So I will click on add site staff. So you get all the site staff who are already added. Let me add a new site staff. So for instance, let's say Mangal is my site staff. So here you can set up their salaries. So let's say you can change the per month, per day, per hour calculation from here. So I will make them per day. So I'm paying Mangal 1200 on a per day basis. Further, you can click on add salary breakup and add set their week offs here, like Sundays week off for them. You can further add their allowances deduction, like there is a PF deduction of let's say 150 rupees per day. So this is the total in hand salary we have generated. Then you can add the shift hours, like they work for a 8-hour shift. You can add the overtime amount, like per hour I'm paying them 150. You can add their designation. So let's say he's a panel technician, and you can click on assign project. So this is a tapered mansion project. Select the project, and you can also assign a cost code, like they'll be working for my steel work section, and I will save it. So like this you can select multiple workers and just add to project. So this is how you will add your workers to your project. Now let's add a labor contractor. So what is labor contractor? So whichever person is supplying you labors on a bulk on a daily basis will come under labor contractor. So let me add one of the labor contractor. So I will click on add labor contractor. So I will select, for instance, Lakhan is my labor contractor here. I will click on add workforce. So here I will select all the different workforce Lakhan is supplying me. So he is supplying me bar benders, he is supplying me electricians. Okay, let's say he is supplying a new category. I can also create a workforce from here by clicking on create new workforce. So let's say he is supplying me AC technicians. And from here you can change their daily wages to hourly. So let's take this as daily wages. For instance, we are paying them 1000. You can select the cost code, like they are working for my civil work, and you can save it. So this is how you can select multiple workforce for your labor contractor. And next, then done. So this is how you can add your labor contractors. Once this is they are added, your site team can mark their attendance on a daily basis. So for labors, they just have to click on present or absent on a daily basis. Let's say Mangal is absent, so I'll mark them absent. So Bosle was present. After present, if there is any overtime, any allowance, so they can click on this drop down after absent and add allowance from here, add deductions from here. They can add overtime, let's say 2 hours they have work overtime, they can add that. They can further add notes, further add punch in punch out time, and they can also attach staff photos. They can click photos or upload from the gallery. Okay, so let me mention notes, like they work for flooring work today. So this is how you will add and mark attendance for your workers. Let's see for the labor contractors. So it's for labor contractors, since they are supplying us in bulk, we will be marking them on count basis. For example, Lakan has supplied me 5 bar benders, and electrician, he has supplied 2 electricians. AC technicians are absent. So this is how you will mark attendance for your labor contractors. If there are more number of workers, you can click on this drop down, increase the number of workers, let's say it's 12 workers, and you can add overtime also here, allowance, notes, same options you had in the labor section, and you can just save it. So this is how you can add your site staffs and labor contractor, and your team can mark their attendance on a daily basis, and you can track their salaries or daily wages. Okay, thank you.